Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel, where we empower DIY entrepreneurs like you to leverage tech for your business success. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's grow together.
Are you a freelancer juggling multiple clients? Or are you an entrepreneur striving to balance meetings, project deadlines, and personal time? Is your inbox flooded with back and forth emails trying to find mutually convenient meeting slots? Do you experience double bookings and missed appointments? And it's just become an all too common reality for you that leads to frustration and lost opportunities? Or are you a entrepreneur who is using the free version of things and you need a more cost-effective way to manage your meeting schedule? If these scenarios sound familiar to you, you are not alone. Many professionals face these challenges each and every day, and guess what? They hinder your productivity and they hinder your growth. But what if there's a solution to streamline your scheduling process, help you to reduce that chaos, give you back control of your time, as well as be cost effective for you? Well, in today's video, and as you can see on the screen, I'm excited to introduce to you something that I just got a hold of and I just started with myself. It's called TidyCal. And I believe that it's a powerful and user-friendly scheduling tool that's here to help you to simplify your calendar management, to eliminate the headaches of appointment booking, and to give it to you at a more cost-effective price, okay? So that whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, small-time hustler, whatever, TidyCal offers features that's tailored to make your life easier. So I'm going to walk you through here what it looks like here. So this is AppSumo. I'm going to drop my link here. It is an affiliate link. I get 10%, you get 10% off this purchase, okay? It's still good even if you had to purchase it at the regular price, but you get 10%, okay? So go for the discount. You can go on tidycal.com, but you don't get the discount. So go on AppSumo. And then I also believe AppSumo gives you like uh well, no, I don't know if they're still doing that. No, they used to give you $10 off, but it looks like it's 10% now. So hey, 10% is still good. So basically, um, as you can see here from looking at the TidyCal, it kind of tells you all about what you can do with this system and who it's best for. So it's best for and who it integrates with. So it can even integrate with your Calendly, Doodle. It integrates with your Google and PayPal and Stripe and Zapier and Zoom. Okay. Here's a video that you can go in and take a look at here. Remember to click on my link so you can do this because this is on AppSumo. Okay. And it'll take you right through it. But basically, you'll be able to create custom calendars or custom availability schedules and set your default schedules. You'll be able to specify time blocks of availability. You can add buffers in between your meetings and things like that. You can set up unlimited booking types. Okay, unlimited booking types. And like I was saying before, you can connect your calendars, and I'm going to show you how many calendars you can connect. So, like with Calendly's free version, which a lot of people do, you can only connect one calendar, I believe, and you can only have one booking type. But this is unlimited booking types, and then you can connect on the basic plan. You can connect up to or I'm sorry, up to 10 calendars. So let's take a look at this. You do want to be able to have unlimited booking types. You do want to be able to have a few things and to integrate your payment system. And with Calendar, you got to pay for that. Okay. So let me just take you over to the pricing so you can take a look at that. They do have a free version, but again, like everything else, you only get one calendar connected. Um, However, you can, have unlimited booking types. You're not able to integrate that though with much. So you want to take a look at that. But hey, I'm all for if you got to do free, you got to do free because I got to do free until I can pay. Okay. Um, but free does have a lot to it to me. Um, but the advance is the $39. And here's the thing. It says single payment. It's a one-time, lifetime access to this thing. So you don't have to pay each and every month. You get uh, all of this from here on down. Booking cancellation, reject reasons. You get manual booking approvals. You get let's see, what really matters to us? Integrations. Okay. You get up to 10 calendars. You get to offer paid bookings where you don't with the basics. So if you want to charge someone to book with you, you could be able to do that on this $39 plan. Now, I got the $79 plan, which does allow for 25 calendars and it does allow for this collective meetings and this dedicated Teams page. So those are some things there that it does differently than the basic. But for mostly, just go with the $39, get your 10% off, and then boom, you don't have to worry about Calendly or monthly charges or limitations on the free. Okay. And then you can see it says lifetime. So I'm on the lifetime package there. I just want to quickly show you what the calendar looks like. So I set up this for my notary business. Each appointment I have scheduled for 1 hour. I give them a little bit of an idea about it. And then when you go into schedule, let's say I have my calendar scheduled out. I have it to where I need to have like, I think a day's notice because today's the 17th. So yeah, a day's notice. And so let's say I schedule for 6 o'clock. And then now I put in all my information and I also set it up to where there are some questions that are mandatory questions. So, because this is a notary appointment, I have to have certain things in order to book your schedule there. And so there's a lot like this. What questions do you have? That doesn't have a star next to it, so that's not mandatory. But a lot of this will be mandatory in order for you to even book this appointment, and you can book the event. Okay. And so it's really easy to set up. This is what creating a new booking type looks like. You fill in all the info. You're going to already set up your calendar there to integrate with this tool. So I only have one calendar upgraded right now. And phone numbers, and I don't have phone numbers set up, but you can do all of that there. You can do your availability. So you're going to define all of these parameters. And this is what it looks like to questions to invitees. So this is what I did. And you just click whether or not it's required or not. And it'll make it required. So there's just different ways to do that. But all of your basic settings and things and bookings are located here. So as you can see, this is a very effective tool for you to walk through. I'm going to drop the link again in the description of this video. Go take a look at it and just get it. I mean, the price of going out to dinner. Okay. All right. And just remember that to use my link and then let me know what questions you have on this. All right. Till we meet again, you be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.